This 5-minute solution will show you how to create a stage channel on Discord from mobile. Follow these easy steps to create a stage channel. First of all, launch your Discord app. Make sure to log into your Discord account. Now, go to the server where you want to create a stage channel. Tap on the server name, settings, tap on enable community, get started, and make sure to enable these two options and tap on next. Next, enable I agree and understand. Tap on finish setup, tap on save. Now go back to your server homepage and now create a new text channel, and here you will get stage. Select stage and write here the stage channel name. Tap on next, and that's it. This is how we can create a stage channel on Discord from mobile. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.